Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Yami D here. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below. I make videos every week for you guys. And also, if you haven't followed me on Snapchat or Instagram, follow me on Snapchat and Instagram. My Instagram and Snapchat is Yamiibroadxx. So today I want to do something new on my channel, and I basically want to do this every Wednesday and call it like What's New Wednesday, and basically try out makeup products and give you guys my review on them. And the first thing I tried out today is Nars's Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and that is the foundation I have right now. If you guys want to see my thoughts on this foundation, make sure you guys keep on watching. So the first product we're going to be reviewing is the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. And it just comes in this matte packaging. I'm in the color, well, I think I'm in the color Dark 2. This foundation retails for $49. The instructions in this says, meet Nars' first longwear foundation that looks stronger, stays longer with skin recognition pigments for the truest color match and 16 hours of wear. Featuring Nars Skin Optimizing Complex, Raspberry, Apple, and Watermelon Extract for smoother, healthier looking skin. So I'm in the shade Dark 2, New Calendia, and I matched myself. It wasn't really hard to match yourself, but this is the shade that I picked. I'm just going to squirt a little bit in my hand. And I think this should match me. Yeah. I think this should do just fine. So enough with my rambles. We're gonna start applying this foundation. So for primer, I'm gonna use Benefit Professional Matte Rescue Primer. So apply this on my forehead, my nose, and my chin, and then everywhere else. I'm just gonna rub it in. So we're gonna apply this on our cheek. I'm gonna actually use my beauty blender for the first time to blend my foundation out and see how that goes. So I'm just gonna apply here. And then we're gonna blend that out with our beauty blender. Is this like full coverage? Oh, so it's medium to full coverage. It's medium to full coverage and it's supposed to give you a natural finish. So I'm just gonna add some more pumps to my face. Like maybe 2. Should do the trick. And then blend that out. How did I know I was gonna put foundation in my shirt? I knew I was gonna end up dropping foundation on my fucking shirt. Like, so I decided to do half my face with a beauty blender and then the other half of my face with a foundation brush, because I know some people out there don't use beauty blenders to blend out their foundation. I'm one of those people. I like to use a brush. So I'm gonna do this side of my face with a foundation brush. I'm gonna use 3 pumps. I'm gonna actually use 4 pumps and see what that does, because the pumps are like really light. It doesn't give you a lot of product when you pump it out. I did a really good job covering. One thing I noticed about this foundation, it is very, very like lightweight, but it's full coverage. So if you're looking for a foundation that doesn't have like that thick consistency but has full coverage, this foundation would be perfect for you. Like, it covered my beauty mark perfectly just now, and I'll usually have to like make sure like I usually have to add some to make sure like my beauty mark is actually covered. It doesn't feel like I have foundation on my face compared to like the Becca foundation. I know that foundation is very thick. This is very very lightweight. So I'm just gonna finish off my face off camera, and I'm gonna come back to you and give you guys my final thoughts. And this is the final look. I really like this foundation. I was kind of spectacle about it to begin with because it's very, very lightweight. Like, it doesn't even feel like I have anything on my face, and I'm so used to thick foundation because I feel like the thicker it is, the more coverage I'm gonna get out of it. And like, this foundation is very lightweight and it does what it says. I am going to test out the Longwear of the foundation, so I am going to come back and see how this holds up. Right now it is 6:38. It's 6:38. I'm probably going to come back around 12 o'clock and see how this wears, but for right now I really like this foundation. So I'm back. It is 10:56. Yeah, it's 10:56 p.m. I'm getting kind of tired, so I'm just gonna wrap this video up. I really do like this foundation, but I did notice that around my laugh lines the foundation started to crease just a little bit. My face doesn't feel oily at all. Like, no oils are coming off my face, and my face doesn't look as shiny. I really do like this foundation. I feel like this foundation is perfect for someone who wants to have like that natural look and doesn't want to feel like they have so much on their face. I'm kind of used to thick foundation, and that's why in the beginning of the video I was applying so much on that I didn't need to apply on, because I'm used to feeling like the thickness of the foundation in my face, and this foundation doesn't give you that. I'm gonna rate this foundation 1 out of 5. I'm gonna rate this foundation a 4. Just because I did notice it was creasing around my mouth, and I hate when foundation does that. And that's the only thing that I really don't like about this foundation. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys like this kind of video. Please leave a comment down below of what other new products you guys would like for me to try, and I will definitely try that out for you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye!